Hey, what is going on, guys? Back with a new video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install the 13-inch M5 iPad Pro into the OtterBox Defender Series case. So stick around. Welcome back, and let's get straight into it. So first off, you need to take off the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone, and to do so you need to start off on one of the corners. The easiest way to do so is with a credit card or something similar in that size. However, I did it with just my fingernail. Next, you need to make your way around the entire case, removing that outer layer of shock absorbing silicone from the inner polycarbonate shell. And just a quick heads up, make sure to pay attention and pay extra care to the part where the USB Type-C port is at. There is a dust cover there that you need to remove. Now, once you've removed that outer layer of shock absorbing silicone, you will be left with that inner polycarbonate shell, which needs to be snapped apart as well. So to do so, as you can see, there is arrows specifying the locations where you need to snap the case apart at. Now, for this particular part of the video, you can use a small flat-headed screwdriver. However, I am going to use my fingernail, just letting you know that it is possible to do it with just your fingernail. Again, make your way around the entire case, popping apart the case at those specific locations, again, designated by the arrows. You also need to pop apart the section where the Apple Pencil goes into charge, which is simple and straightforward. And just a quick side note, don't try to pull the case apart until you've properly snapped apart all those locations designated again by the arrows. Next, we'll go ahead and place the Apple iPad Pro into the back section of the OtterBox Defender Series case. Next, I recommend grabbing a microfiber cleaning cloth and clean off the front screen of the Apple iPad Pro. Next, we'll go ahead and place the front section on that houses the built-in screen protector. Next, make your way around the entire case, making sure that it's properly snapped together, including that Apple Pencil charging section. Next, go ahead and place the iPad that's now in the inner polycarbonate shell into the outer layer of shock-absorbing silicone, and then make your way around the entire case, making sure that it's properly inserted into the groove provided by the inner polycarbonate shell. And as you can see, our Apple Pencil Pro charges perfectly. If this video helped you out and was informative, hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of future content. And I'll see you guys on the next one.